I'm going to show you how to make fried potatoes in Cactus. First, you get some potatoes boiling. Get them where they'll just slip off the fork. That way they're still firm enough. Get them in ice water. Cool them down. Get some bacon going. Peel them cooled off taters while the bacon's cooking. Get the bacon out of the skillet. Drain most of the grease away. Slice some taters up. They're pretty much cooked through. We're just going to be warming them up is all. Get them onions cooking in that hot grease.